Today we're going to see what happens when little chefs take over the kitchen. Oh my! Look at these adorable babies. They're watching their favorite cooking show on TV. Wow! They're so inspired they want to become chefs too. Let's see what happens. Look at them go. They're putting on tiny chef hats and aprons. Even their pets want to join in. The puppy is wearing a bowl as a hat. How silly. And the kitten has tangled itself in an apron. These animal sous chefs are too cute. Now our baby chefs are reaching for ingredients. Can you guess what they'll make? Uh-oh, flour everywhere. But our little chefs aren't giving up. Oh dear, eggs on the floor. The puppy is trying to help clean up. How sweet. The kitten is batting at a rolling tomato. What a helpful sous chef. Look at that. The babies are trying to mix something in a big bowl. Oops! The bowl tipped over. That's okay, little ones. Keep trying. The puppy is bringing a spoon to help. Good doggy. And the kitten found a whisk. These pets are the best kitchen assistants. Our baby chefs look a bit discouraged. But wait, their furry friends have an idea. The pets are bringing ingredients to the babies. Teamwork makes the dream work. The puppy is holding a banana in its mouth. How clever. And the kitten is pushing an apple with its paw. These pets are so smart. They're all working together to gather ingredients for their culinary adventure. Look at that! They're making a fruit salad together. Simple and delicious. The babies are cutting soft fruits with plastic knives. So careful. The puppy is wagging its tail, excited to taste test. And the kitten is purring, proud of its hard work. Ah, they're all enjoying their yummy creation. What a wonderful adventure. The kitchen may be messy, but their tummies are happy. Look how proud our little chefs and their pet helpers are. They learned that cooking is fun when you do it together. And even when things get messy, you can always try again. Remember, kids, keep trying, work together, and you can cook up something special. Now, who's going to help clean up this adorable kitchen disaster? Oh well, that's an adventure for another day. Bon appetit, little chefs.